Disclaimer, not financial advice. Educational only. Do your own research. Full disclaimer in description.
We all dream of turning a small seed of money into a massive fortune. Today, we're talking about a bold goal, taking $100 and multiplying it tenfold to reach $1,000 in just 12 months. That's a 900% return. Traditionally, this level of return is nearly impossible without extreme, almost reckless risk. But the game is changing. Welcome to the age of artificial intelligence. Can AI be the secret weapon that makes this impossible challenge possible? Let's dive in. To achieve a 10x return, you need an edge. That edge is data. AI models can process millions of data points, news articles, social media sentiment, historical price movements in seconds. Human traders, we can't compete with that speed. This allows AI to spot patterns and predict potential market shifts before the crowd. It's not about being a psychic, it's about superior pattern recognition. The result is the ability to identify high-risk, high-reward opportunities that a human might miss or be too slow to capitalize on. Remember, the key to the 10x challenge is compounding returns. Even small, frequent wins, managed consistently by an unemotional algorithm, can quickly snowball that initial $100 investment. How does this look in practice? There are three main ways AI tools are currently being used for high-growth potential. Strategy 1. Algorithmic trading, the bots. This involves using AI-powered bots to execute trades automatically. They are designed to exploit short-term volatility. The bot has the discipline to buy low and sell high instantly, without the human fear or greed that cripples most traders. Strategy 2. AI-driven stock picking. Tools like ChatGPT and advanced machine learning models can be prompted to analyze thousands of company earnings reports and market news in minutes. They can filter the noise to highlight the one speculative small-cap stock with 100+% growth potential. This drastically reduces research time. Strategy 3. Sentiment analysis and crypto. AI is particularly powerful in the highly volatile crypto market. It scrapes Twitter, Reddit, and news feeds to gauge public sentiment. If AI detects a surge in positive talk around a small coin, it can trigger a trade before the price spike, giving you an entry point unavailable to the average person. Now for the crucial part, the reality check. A 10x return is an extreme goal. While AI offers a significant statistical advantage, it does not offer a guarantee. This pursuit requires extreme risk. The only way to get a 900% return in 12 months is by placing high-stakes, highly leveraged bets on volatile assets like penny stocks, options, or small cryptocurrencies. The risk of losing the initial $100 is extremely high. AI mitigates risk, but it does not eliminate it. Important disclaimer. This is a speculative experiment. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. AI is a tool, not a magic wand. Treat it as such. So, can AI turn $100 into $1,000 in 12 months? Yes, it's mathematically possible for AI to find and execute the necessary trades. But is it probable? No, it's a high-stakes lottery that AI gives you better odds of winning. The true value of AI is not the 10x goal, but providing consistent, data-driven, long-term growth. Are you ready to put AI to the test? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI finance strategies.